Today we are talking about these biocollagen sheet masks from the Indulgio Essentials. I was so excited to try these out because I was so happy to see the Indian brands are coming up with all these innovative products, like the Dermaco has come up with the micro needling, Conscious Chemist has come up with micro needling pimple patches, Dr. Sheth's has come up with the PDRN, and I have heard that some of the brand have also come up with a wrapping mask, collagen wrapping mask, and I was like, wow, like all these brands are bringing the innovation to India. It was so nice to see. I was really hoping that this would be a game changer because this one is not at all a cheap product. This one is for 1980 for 2 sheet mask, which is almost 1000 rupees for 1 sheet mask. Like way more expensive than the Biodance collagen mask. So I was expecting a lot from this sheet mask. But things took a U-turn which I haven't expected. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have got these from Nykaa ka Pink Love sale in the February at 50% ka off. So you can say one sheet mask had costed me 500 rupees, and I was so excited to try these out because the formulation looks so amazing. This got hydrolyzed collagen at 8,20,000 ppm, which is 82% of low molecular weight collagen that will boost your skin elasticity and firmness. Secondly, this got red seaweed at 3% of the concentration, which is rich in antioxidant, rich in minerals, and it's supposed to protect the skin, reduce the irritation, and lock in the moisture. And then 0.001% tranexamic acid is there, which is a well-known brightening agent that helps reduce hyperpigmentation and melanin production. Also, this contains hallose and adenosine, a hydrating and repairing duo to moisturize, soothe, and improve the skin health. But here's the thing, nothing have worked for me. Instead of hydration and repair, this has gave me irritation, redness, and burning. Something in the formula just doesn't work well on my skin. As soon as I applied this mask, I noticed something felt off. This hydrogel sheet wasn't drenched properly, and instead of feeling soothing or hydrating, it started giving me a strong, stretchy, and drying sensation. Within a minute, I felt an intense burning sensation on both sides of my cheeks. Honestly got scared. I kept hoping that the mask turned transparent, it would feel better, but it only got worse. The discomfort was so unbearable that I had to remove it. Initially, I thought I will keep it overnight. Usually I do for my rest of the collagen mask, but with this case, I have removed it immediately because I was literally panicking. And I think here what went wrong with this one. Number one, the hydrogel sheet mask wasn't properly soaked in the essence. It felt dry and stiff. Number two, instead of a cooling effect, it made my skin burn like crazy. The stretchy feeling wasn't firming. It was just tight and uncomfortable. And after removing it, I had to calm my skin down using at least 3 layers of my thermal water to soothe the burning sensation, and I have to apply my soothing cream to repair the skin barrier. Honestly, this was the most uncomfortable sheet mask experience I have ever had. If you are considering this as a Korean hydrogel alternative, I would say skip it. It's equally expensive, but the quality doesn't match. While I appreciate the Indian brands are coming up with the innovative products, but I think they need to work on the formulation as well as on the hydration level, the safety levels they need to check. Because you see, I have applied multiple things underneath this sheet mask. Still इसने मेरी स्किन को ड्राई और स्ट्रेची कर दिया. What if अगर मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया होता, डायरेक्टली शीट मास्क को लगाया होता? I just can't even imagine कि मेरी स्किन का क्या हाल किया होता है शीट मास्क ने. Now I have left with one more sheet mask, but I'm so scared to try that one out. I am not going to put that on my skin because I know that feeling was so bad. I was like so scared कि oh my god, इतनी मेहनत से मैंने अपनी स्किन ठीक करी है और अभी दोबारा मेरी स्किन को ख़राब कर देगा. आई थिंक दैट इज़ द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस जॉब, दैट यू हैव टू टेस्ट मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट काम ख़राब कर गया तो आपकी 5-6 महीने की मेहनत को वो पानी फेर सकता है. और वही चीज़ मुझे इसके साथ फील हुई. बट थैंकफुली at that point of time I had the right product which has saved my life. I think इतना जो मैं करती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, ट्राई एंड टेस्ट और अपनी स्किन को रिस्क में डालती हूँ, आई थिंक एक सब्सक्राइब और एक बेल बटन प्रेस होना तो मैं डिजर्व करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed to my channel. I know you love my content, but why you not subscribing? Please subscribe and और बेल बटन को प्रेस कर दो, so whenever I post such videos आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए, so that आप मेरी तरह अपनी स्किन को खराब ना करो, आप अपने पैसे वेस्ट ना करो, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट एट ऑल अ चीप प्रोडक्ट, इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट. बी इट एन इंडियन brand, it's a very very expensive product and I am so disappointed. Now would I repurchase it? No. Would I recommend this? No. Would I rather use a Korean sheet mask? Definitely yes. I appreciate that Indian brands are coming up with such innovations, but they need to work on the formulation. They have to just match the quality of the product. Like आप एक sheet mask को इतना महंगा बना रहे हो, तो I think we expect more. तो मतलब क्यों फिर हम इंडियन ब्रांड्स की तरफ जाएं अगर आप इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स बनाओगे. सो आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दिस वन, बट आई एम स्टिल होपिंग दैट ब्रांड विल वर्क ऑन दिस एंड दे विल improve the formulation and they do all the safety checks and do everything and then launch the sheet mask again, because this one is total waste. That was it guys, that's all about my experience. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.